Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Digital Ocean TV. I'm Georgi Petrov, and today, in continuation of our other video, Build Your LinkedIn Profile Like a Pro, today I'm going to be covering how to actually go and find your freelancing digital marketing agency SMMA clients on LinkedIn. See you in a bit. All right. Before we get started, just wanted to, cover last time we covered on the video that how to actually create your profile the best way possible in order to attract potential clients, how to create your description in order to be like a sales page and attract again, grab their attention, kind of convert them into leads and then into calls, and then after that how to close them on a call. This is when they get on your profile. People get on your profile, but before you get on a profile, we need to start messaging those people. And I'm going to show you today how to actually go message people and don't be weird, and actually close those clients. I'm going to add to the description below and above here on this video, the previous video for the LinkedIn profile. And please, before we get started, subscribe and hit the notification bell and thumbs up. So yeah, let's get ready to start. Go to my network first. This is the place where we're gonna see all our invitations that we've sent and all the people that have invited us. In this case, I have 126 invitations from other people, and let me see how many I have sent. See all. You need to click here. See all, and then in this case we see that actually I've sent how many? 0 invitations pending, and at the same time I've received 120. And as you can see, most of them are just they don't have message in them. Actually, they've just sent me an invitation, and I don't even know those people. And how will I accept? How will I accept those invitations? I wouldn't do that. They probably, some of them probably rely on their headlines, like I mentioned in the previous video, that the headlines are one of the most important things, because that's actually your hook. But in this case, I help companies take action on their marketing data using dashboards and so on and so forth. That doesn't talk to me anything to me. So let's say, for instance, this one: hey Georgie, love everything you're doing, AAG marketing, you guys killing it, and so on and so forth. This message, it's not bad, right? It's not bad because he's trying to have a common ground with me. He mentions my company, so it's a little bit custom. But at the same time, he's trying to sell me on the first message, which is, guys, it's a little bit awkward, right? When you try to sell somebody, when you meet them on on an event, right, somewhere, and you say, hey, hi, I'm Sean, for instance, and you know what, but by the way, I have that kind of people like you, you know and I'll be able to increase your sales, and you'll be like, wow, hold on for a second, we just met. So I don't like that kind of messages, and I'm gonna show you how to actually bypass all those stakeholders and actually make your messages stand out. What kind of tools to use in order to bypass LinkedIn, LinkedIn bans, and yeah, So let's get dive right into all the things. Hey Georgie, is randomly observing your university. So he actually agrees. I mean, he pretty much saying that, yeah, I know that I don't know you, but you know, he has strange habits, oxygen. I don't know. It does it doesn't get me at all. I don't know this person. Digital marketing specialist, content marketing creation. I'm impressed. I was impressed. It looked like we have some contacts, we shared professional interests. Well, actually, we have some, similar, some mutual contacts. Actually, 18 mutual contacts. I might add her to my network, but that's again, it's not the best way to approach somebody. And let me show you what is a good way, right, to approach somebody. Let's go to my messages, and I'll show you some person here, Dominic, how he approached me. Hey there, Georgie. I see we are both agency owners. So he doesn't know me, right? Uses uses the fact that we are both agency owners and trying to make the connection from here. I'd love to give you a little bit of insight of our business. Yeah. So here, I don't care about his business. All right. And so the second part doesn't. I don't care about it. But he has a smiley face and he's an agency owner. So we may be, we may have common interest. That's for sure. So I just, okay. That's why I probably added to my, I always try to get, talented people from everywhere. So LinkedIn is one of the places people send me, are you hiring? And this is me, this is my work, and so on and so forth. So let me see what we have here. As a marketer, I'm sure you agree. Campaign LinkedIn audience network is designed to help. Okay, that's growth marketing at LinkedIn. So that's a LinkedIn profile. That was a long time ago. Oh, that's a friend of mine. So yeah, don't go over this, but we'll go over how to actually don't sound silly or just weird at the beginning, and how to actually achieve this. Will be achieved by customizing your messaging, customizing your invitation. Just say hi, then name, use their name, then mention the kind of common things like here we're both agency owners. Then you can go further and say, hey, I see you have achieved this, like something very specific, like, hey, you become a Google partner, or you become a Meta Blueprint certified or whatever, and I see you have achieved many things, like very specific things, right? You just need to mention them, and I'm thrilled. I'm very interested to understand how you achieve this, or I'm very interested to learn more from you. Or if you're selling something, right? In this case, you're gonna sell them. Then you will be like, let's say you are targeting an e-commerce owner, and you will be like, first and foremost, make sure that the people that you are sending those invitations to are really business, e-commerce owners. First of all, second of all, mention this, like, e-commerce owner, and what you like in their e-commerce brand. So right, so this is their baby. Make sure that you have researched a little bit about their baby, right, about their brand, and what they actually do and what they actually offer to the consumers. And then at the end, I'd love to connect and explore our network. In this matter, I can even show you. I can send you some messages that I created. I created here in a PDF. So let me know in the comments below if you really need those messages. This way, I'll really see how many people haven't actually watched until this moment. If they're serious, I'm gonna send them to for absolutely no cost. What similar to those messages that we are sending, and we've achieved up to 76 connection rate. Here it's called connection rate acceptance, right? And then yeah, let me know. I'll send you those stuff. In another tool that we use here is Skylead. I'm going to mention this tool here in the description below. It's a paid tool. It's not super expensive tool, but if that's very important for you to find clients, $100 a month it's not going to be a deal breaker in my opinion. You need to really focus on that. That's the most important thing. Pretty much the blood of your business. That's the most important thing in your business. Finding new clients, non-stop having them on the pipeline. Yeah, so definitely something that you need to invest to. This tool, which have a lot of tutorials, so I'm not going to cover a tutorial. Has so many things inside that you can explore. But most important thing is that you can find people's emails. You can send them an email right away. You can send them messages through LinkedIn and connect with them. This tool is gonna tell you how many messages you've sent per month or per day, and if they've been how many of them per day have been accepted, in what is your acceptance rate, connection rate, whatever you want to call it, in how to improve your connection rate. You definitely start testing different messages. After testing those messages, and you start getting good result, good connection rates. Good connection rate is everything 30%, because that's not a huge deal, for the people. But you definitely need to spark their attention and make the first, everything above 30% is not bad. 50% is great, and everything above 50% it's unbelievable achievement. And we've been able to have messages up to 76%. So I'm definitely gonna send you a list of messages that we similar that we use. Let me know in the comments below if you need them. And also, using this Skylead tool, I highly recommend it. I've used LinkedIn Helper. I've used all. I'm an affiliate for this tool as well, so I'm gonna mention my link below if you wanna support me and support this channel. But in a nutshell, what it allows you, it allows you to actually send messages, see what's the percentage rate, the split testing, increase your connection rate in the future. Actually find good clients. So it has a targeting option. You can target specific niche, specific people, and their occupancy, and job descriptions and everything like and beyond. So definitely, I recommend you. There's a 14 days trial, so you can definitely go and sign and take a look at this tool as well. As I mentioned, there a lot of tons of like tutorials on YouTube, and they have a whole they have their own tutorials. So Skylead is also, I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So LinkedIn automation, start free trial. It's actually a 7-day free trial. I'm sorry about this. And yeah, and sending B2B clients. You can go and take a look at all the description, but it's super easy. The dashboard and analytics are super friendly, user friendly. You understand everything inside. It's not, and you can even compare it to expanding LinkedIn Helper too. As I mentioned, this the best their competitor. But I switched to Skylead because of its great great features, and it makes all the work, right, super easy and seamless. And I'll leave you with that. Don't be weird, go and contact with people, connect with people on the right way, like customize your messages. Again, I'm gonna send you some messages if you need those. Just comment below. I need, hey Georgie, send me the messages that you're mentioned on the video in the video. So yeah, I'll leave you with that. Thank you for watching again. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell and the thumbs up. And guys, see you on the other side of success.